Think of the internet as a giant lost and found box that never loses anything. Every ride you order, every late night search, every accept cookies, click drops a little piece of your life into the box. In the next few minutes, I want to explain what mass surveillance looks like today, how AI makes it stronger, and a few simple things you can do so your life isn't just free training data. First, what is mass surveillance? It's not one detective following one suspect. It's big system quietly collecting data about millions of people at once. Under a law called Section 702, the United States government can collect communications of people outside the country for foreign intelligence purposes. But when those people talk to friends, family, or co-workers in the United States, some of our message is swept into. Later, analysts can search that database with an American's name, email, or phone number. That's a backdoor search. It's not just government. The apps on your phones track where we go and what we browse so companies can sell ads. Data brokers bundle that information and resell it. In some cases, agencies don't ask a judge. They just buy data that would be harder to get directly. In September 2023, a government watchdog called the Privacy and Civil Liberties Oversight Board released a report on Section 702. They say the way analysts search for an American's message in this system is a significant privacy and civil liberty risk and call for stronger safeguards on those backdoor searches. We also have numbers. In its 2024 Transparency Report, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence showed that after stricter rules and audits were added, the number of FBI searches using Americans' identifiers in this database dropped from almost 120,000 in 1 year to just a few thousand 2 years ago. Same database, different rules, way fewer searches. Modern AI systems are trained on huge piles of data, much of it scrapped from the public internet and from services we use every day. That training data can include personal details, relationship patterns, even faces and voices. AI is very good at connecting dots, so it can scan giant databases and link different pieces of your digital life together much faster than any human team. So why should we care? When your face, location, and other private info are easy to collect, they can be saved, copied, and used in ways you never expected. AI can scan your face in many places, and detailed location history can reveal where you live, work, and travel, which can put your safety at risk. Even if you did nothing wrong, this kind of data can be abused or used to target certain people or communities more than others. So, what should change at this rule level? First of all, if the government wants to search an American's message in those big databases, they should have to get a warrant. Second, if the government needs a warrant to collect your location, it should not be allowed to just buy the same data from a broker. Third, agencies should regularly publish clear numbers, be checked by audits, and face real consequences when they break the rules. That's the big picture. Now, here are some small habits you can start today. 1. Lock down your main account. Turn on two-factor authentication for your email and your main social media. Your email is the reset password key for most of your life. 2. Reduce pointless tracking. Take 5 minutes in your setting. Turn off always-on location for apps that don't need it. Limit age tracking and review which app can access your camera, microphone, and contacts. 3. Use end-to-end encrypted messaging for sensitive conversation. If you are talking about health, money, relationship, or activism, move those chats to an app that clearly says end-to-end encrypted. And if you want to go one step further, use your voice. Spend 5 minutes you email or call your representative and tell them you support reform that require warrant for searches of Americans' data, close the data broker loophole, and strengthen transparency for surveillance programs. Mass surveillance and AI can help with security, but they can also quietly creep into private life. With smart rules and a few smart habits in our own device, we don't have to choose between safety and freedom. We can protect both.